If your house feels bigger than your life right now, this might be your sign. The kids are gone, the rooms sit empty, but the maintenance, the taxes, the insurance, and repairs, they're still there. Still coming out of your pocket every single month. I'm working with more empty nesters right now who don't want more house. They want more freedom. They want less cleaning, less upkeep, less stress. They want to lock the door and leave without thinking about what needs to be done. One of my long-term clients, Rose, put it perfectly. She said she wanted to be able to lock and leave. And that's it. That's the whole thing. Freedom. Here's what most people get wrong about downsizing. They think it's about giving something up, but it's not. It's about simplifying strategically while protecting every dollar of equity you've built over decades. You spent years paying this mortgage, you made upgrades, you took care of this home. Now that equity is yours. And in today's market, that equity is real money you can use to fund the next chapter, whatever that looks like. Downsizing doesn't mean settling. It means being intentional. It means moving to a home that fits your life now, not the life you had 10 years ago. If you've been quietly thinking about simplifying, let's have a private conversation about your options. I'll show you what your equity position looks like and what you could net and what that actually means for your next move. No pressure, just a strategy. Send me a message and let's talk. I'm Tanja Odzak, Realtor with eXp Realty. I help people sell and buy homes right here in the East Bay. With over $90 million in homes sold and a decade of experience, I know how to help you win in any market. Call me today and let's get you going.